Embrace the outdoors with the Dometic inflatable camping tents. To give you the confidence and ability to travel further and stay for longer, the Dometic Santorini includes features such as multi-point inflation, integrated front canopy, Weather Shield technical cotton, quick pitch guidelines. Unzip the carry bag and begin by unfolding the tent. Secure the four corners. Each corner is highlighted by an orange webbing strap. Unzip the door opening to allow air to enter the tent during inflation. Now, locate the inflation points at the bottom of each air pole. Ensure they are all inserted. Beginning with the middle air pole, attach the hand pump supplied and start to inflate. Continue to inflate each air pole to 10 psi. Once inflated, remove the pump and secure the top cover of the inflation point to ensure no pressure is lost. Now, secure the storm straps located at the front of the tent. Secure the tent further by fixing the quick pitch guidelines. Tension the lower strap and peg down. Then, tension the strap which connects further up the air pole. Finally, secure any other additional pegging points around the base of the tent. As with many of the Dometic tents, the Santorini offers a range of optional extras including fleece carpet, footprint ground sheet, inner tent. Once the tent has been unpegged, unscrew all the inflation valves to deflate the airframe. Then, fold the tent, matching the orange corner to the orange tent folding line and continue to fold. Place any tent accessories onto the ground sheet. Begin to roll the tent towards the valves, allowing any additional air trapped inside the tent to escape. Finish by rolling the tent into the carry bag. Zip closed and fasten the clips to compress the pack size further. With one of the quickest setups of any tent, start your outdoor adventure sooner and experience more with Dometic.